Looking at some totals, even portions of Texas had more than 19 inches of rainfall in the last 2 days. So we've really actually lucked out. It may not stay that way for long. We are watching Tropical Depression 2, and it could bring some rain for us, especially as we go through Sunday and Monday. Tomorrow, you might actually luck out around here. The latest advisory shows not much change right now. 35-mile-per-hour winds, still moving west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. So it's moving towards Charleston, South Carolina. Pressure 1009 millibars. It is expected to strengthen overnight tonight into tomorrow, likely becoming Tropical Storm Bonnie. You'll notice a couple of reasons why. First of all, the main reason here, this is the Gulf Stream in red. As it encounters that warmer water, it's going to strengthen. Now, it has a couple of things working against it also, though. It's encountering some dry air and also a bit of wind shear in the atmosphere, which tends to tear these storms apart. So we're not expecting a ton of strengthening. We do think it will likely make landfall near Charleston as a tropical storm. But then notice this model here. This is the National Hurricane Center's forecast model. Tends to curve it back out to sea. Here's the thing with these. As you go past 3 days, it gets a little bit less certain. So that's why this cone opens up a little bit bigger. And so that means that the center of circulation could pass a little farther to the west or a little farther to the east. Now, keep in mind, it doesn't mean that anyone west of Raleigh won't feel the effects. It simply means that the center of circulation is expected to pass in this cone. So we'll likely be getting rain either way. Let's take you through First Alert Predictor to show you about these showers. Saturday, 12:30, about the noon hour, you can see quite a few of the heavy rain showers, scattered thunderstorms here moving across Wrightsville Beach, down towards Myrtle Beach, and eventually up towards even Hatteras. Now, if you're going to any of the northern beaches, you have a better shot of seeing slightly better conditions than the southern beaches. By 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, we could see quite a few showers here pushing towards our southern counties, but we're still staying dry here to the north. We likely won't get too much rain until we get into the overnight hours into Sunday morning, and all that will continue to overspread. Notice by 9 a.m. we'll likely see quite a bit of scattered coverage here, and it only is going to get worse throughout Sunday afternoon. That's when some of our wettest rain in the triangle is going to fall off and on all day long on Saturday and Sunday towards the coast, and then on Monday we'll watch as the center of circulation hopefully moves a little bit farther east. Latest models have taken it farther east. Earlier, it was actually moving it right up the I-95 corridor. Now you'll see it passes it right off the coast. So we want this thing to keep pushing out to sea, and we'll continue to update you as we go through the next day or so as that track hopefully will continue to push off to the east. Either way, showers are likely and storms both tomorrow and Sunday across the coast. 78 on Saturday, 80 there on Sunday, slightly warmer inland. Tomorrow actually looks to be a great day if you're planning on heading out to any of the area lakes. 80 degrees by noon, roughly 86 there at 4. Light winds. Yes, you could see a brief shower in our southern counties on the later side, but other than that, we should be just fine. In fact, it looks like the bulk of our rain will likely come Sunday into Monday. Here you can see many of our models showing between 1 inch and 2 inches of rain. This is our in-house model. It's showing about 1.5 inches. And then now that these models are shifting farther east, we're starting to see that bullseye of rain down towards the coast. Look at that. Wilmington, at least at this particular time, showing a forecast of 4.5 inches of rain. So thankfully it's not here. Better chance along the coast, at least right now. We'll watch, though, if this track follows a little bit more of a western track, we could see more rain inland, and of course all that tropical moisture are going to be here on Sunday as well as Memorial Day, so do keep that in mind as you make your plans. RDU right now not looking all that bad. We're seeing a few clouds out there. 73 degrees, winds from the south at 6 miles per hour, but overall a very nice evening. 69 in Oxford and South Hill, 74 right now in Raleigh and Chapel Hill, lower 70s for Fayetteville, Irwin, 60s in Clinton. Earlier today we did reach 88 in Raleigh and Fayetteville. The record was 96, so nowhere near that. Overnight tonight will likely be in the 60s, 63 in Raleigh, 62 in Durham, and 64 there in Fayetteville. Mostly clear skies expected, pretty mild, nothing really to report. By the morning, we'll likely see sun and clouds, and we'll warm up quickly. Look at that, 80 degrees already by noon. At least we should have one nice weekend day. Yet tomorrow afternoon, we'll likely see 86 in Raleigh, 85 there in Fayetteville. Scattered showers likely, more for our southern counties than our northern counties. Your First Alert 7-day forecast powered by AccuWeather shows not so great of a Memorial Day. Clouds and showers, of course, right now looking more to the east, and a chance of showers and storms almost each day next week as well.
That doesn't look great.
I know. Keep that umbrella handy. You'll need it.
Thank you, Liz.